I have found further evidence to support that mammalian life forms live in this strange geoform I have found. It is this strange machine apparatus which confounds my every wonder. I now aim to activate it in hopes of understanding its power or usage. Before we begin, though, I'd like to point out the features of this device. Notice the glass container, how it is similarly shaped to a large bowl of some kind, and is also outfitted with some sort of blades, as well as buttons for the different activations and power levels of these blades' movements. Whichever button I press first, it should reveal the purpose of this machine entirely. So here we are, the largest button, and... That's a loud noise! That's a very loud noise! Well, as you can plainly see, I figured out how to turn off this strange device, and I have figured out its usage. It is used to torture small animals. The race on this planet is really messed up. I shall return when I have found another machine.